How to fix photo swipe not working on TikTok. If you're trying to create a photo slideshow on TikTok, but the feature isn't working or is missing, follow these steps to fix the issue. This method works on both iOS and Android devices. First, open the TikTok app and tap the Tusnos button to access your camera. Then, select a few photos from your gallery. If the feature is available, your photos will display as a slideshow with a swipe animation. However, if you don't see this option, follow these troubleshooting steps. 1. Go to your TikTok profile. Tap your profile icon and then the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. 2. Open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the Free Up Space option. 3. Clear cache and downloads. Tap this option and delete both cached files and downloads. If these files haven't been cleared in a while, they may be causing issues with the app. 4. Offload and reinstall TikTok, iPhone users only. Exit TikTok and open your Settings app. Navigate to General, iPhone Storage, and find TikTok on the list. Tap Offload app to remove unnecessary data. Reinstall TikTok and wait for it to complete. Once reinstalled, open TikTok, and the photo swipe feature should be available. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.